In this video, you will learn basic concept of cells in Excel, cell reference or cell address, how to select cells and range of cells. Please like this video and subscribe my channel. Have you ever wondered what does these rectangular boxes do in Excel? These are cells. In every worksheet, there are thousands of cells. Cells are the building blocks of worksheet. It is where you can input text, numbers, formulas, and lot of other type of data. Every cell has specific address or cell reference. For example, address of this cell is C4 because it is located at the intersection of column C and row 4. Cell address can be seen here. To select a specific cell, simply click on it by mouse. Cell border is highlighted, indicating that it is selected. To select range of adjacent cells, click and drag the specific area. To select non-adjacent cells, click on cells while holding Ctrl key on keyboard.